Did I just miss an earthquake? Earthquake? I just missed an earthquake. Interesting. It's still shaking. Really? Wow. I'm dying here listening to Michelle say La Basura, trying to talk Spanish to somebody. It's amazing. I'm making this walk again today. I'm not sure why, but I tend to film less on the last day, mainly because I'm kind of, I've seen everything here and the novelty has worn off, or I'm just focusing on the high pressure day, which is today, where I don't really have many takes at things to get everything that I need. So it's going to be interesting trying to set it up with 3 cameras to cover the whole room. That's the most ridiculous my gray hair has ever looked. Where is it? It's gone now? There it is.
Love the whole thing.
Yeah, so I got about 20 minutes until my day really kicks into gear, and I am freaking out. It's a lot of things. There's 5 cameras going currently, and I may have to move. Okay, only 2 of them. It's pressure. And I have to be quiet the whole time. That's the hardest part. And I have to give up my phone for one of the angles. I mean, just what am I supposed to do in the 3 seconds in between? Just be present? Get out of here. Oh, also, that was an earthquake earlier. I'm sure I put the footage in, but what? It was so quick and just like, done.
Or play. Pass it. Get rid of 1.1.9.
Michelle's on the phone explaining to Daniel how to write a check. The schools have failed us.
Just above it.
So we're about to do the last take in there, and Angel's like, hey, can you get this like pan up shot of a cello and then reveal the room? And I'm like, okay, sure. So I'm going to swap lenses, and I step to the table, I disconnect my lens, I start putting the other one on, and they're starting the take, and the lens cap falls out of my hand and it falls on the table, and it does that really long thing, and it just went on forever. And then everyone looks at me like I did something. I'm like, you just asked me to switch to do the shot and then started recording. Like, it's not magic. Give me a second. Hard drive.
A hard drive at Best Buy right now. To her team, to Oz, to Essen, to Morgan, to Bacteris, to the music prep team who went and printed everything again. That was led by Micaela Carvalho and her team. To Paula and yeah, I'll see you guys later. See what happens.
Thank you.
And we're done at Warner Brothers for another few months. I'm sure we'll be back in January. I've made it back in time. Turns out the place closed, and I looked up the other FedEx location that was still open till 8, so didn't even make it there.
All right.
Thanks. He's like, I don't care. Just drive. This is behind the scenes of Angels meet and greet.
Thank you.
How much? $50 a person?
75.
Could be wrong, but pretty sure I just walked in between a bank heist going on. There was a dude in a suit and then like a bunch of black cars. What did I tell you? Bank heist. Michelle's just using this to get followers. Angel, can you do me a favor? Can you like say rap or something? Like just call it a rap?
Down in the shadow with that. Oh, sorry. Not do a rap.
No, not do a rap. Just call it like just rap the event.
That's a wrap.
Why no cauliflower and veggie trays? That's just a personal thing. Stop right there, son. You had me at Beef Tornado. We're the only ones down here cheersing ourselves. Yeah. Okay. We're way down here, though. I get it. See, drone doesn't have audio. Not a problem.
All these memories in my mind, my mind. I'm still a secret lemonade drinker.